Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to show you how to design a facade of a Zehner factory, which is this on the screen. So we are going to design a facade of this factory. So here we are in Revit using an Revit architectural template for the project. And now I'm going to create a flow first using a flow command, which is here, using a rectangular tool just like this, and finish the flow from here. Now I'm going to edit boundary to create a curve at the edge of the flow by using a 3-point arc just like this. Using the flat command I can cut the edges just like this and finishing the flow from here. Now I'm going to create a wall using a wall command to the level of 2 just like this, and from this point to this point as well. Now I'm going to use 3-point arc to create a curve here, curved wall around here. So now the wall has been created up to the level of 2. You can see probably up to the height of 10 feet we have wall, and above all that up to the height of 40 feet we have glass. So before applying any glass material above the wall, I'm going to create a facade of a factory using a generic 5-inch wall on the front face of the factory, creating a facade panel at the offset of 3 feet from the front face of the factory. And now I'm going to copy it 5 times at the offset of 4 feet just by clicking here at the distance of 4 feet for the 5 times, just like that, here and here as well. And now you can see in this photo the base offset of panels are in decreasing order. So I'm going to provide a base offset for these 5 panels in a decreasing order. For this first panel I'm going to provide as 7 feet. For the second panel I'm going to provide as 6 feet 6 inch. For every panel I'm going to decrease it as 6 inches. For this I'm going to provide as 6 feet base offset, and for this I'm going to provide as 5 feet 6 inch. 5 feet 6 inches, and for this the base offset is 5 feet. And now we are done here. Now I'm going to the elevation from here, and now you can see in this photo we are going to create this type of curves in the panel, I guess up to the height of 40 feet approximately. And now I'm going to create a new level by choosing a level option from here and creating a new level at the offset of 40 feet to create a panels just by clicking on the level from here. So now our level 3 up to the height of 40 feet has been created. Going back to the level 2 floor plan, you can see all the 5 panels. Double clicking here and going to the front elevation. Now I'm going to extend these panels up to the level 3 just by clicking and dragging it up to this point. Do the same to all of these panels. Click and drag just like this. So all the panels are dragged up to the level of 3. You can see that all the panels are above the level 3. So you can see all the panels are in ascending order. Now I'm going to click all the panels and do it in that order as well, just by clicking and dragging them. Second one above the first one, third one above the second one, and fourth one above the third one, and finally fifth one above all. So now all the panels are in ascending order. Now I'm going to the floor plan level 1 just by clicking at this elevation, double clicking here. It takes me to the west elevation. Now I'm going to edit each panels from here just by clicking and selecting the edit profile and selecting the 3-point arc, clicking here, first point, giving the second point. Above all, it requires patience to create a good curve for the panel. Clicking first point, giving second point and third point to create a curve. Do it all through the panel and you will get the perfect shape of the panel. Click first point, give second point and give the third point. Your curvature is complete and this is the end of the panel. So now you can see this is our panel created, and just deleting the extra lines from the panel. And now finishing the edit profile from here by checking it. So now you can see the panel has been created, the first panel. You can see it in a 3D view. That's how our panel look like. And now I'm going to hide this panel just by clicking on the panel. I'm going to this option and hiding the element. Now the panel has been hidden. Now I'm going to edit this new panel, the second panel, by going to edit profile and selecting the 3-point arc, giving the first point, clicking the second point. You need to have patience to create a curvature so you get the perfect shape. Giving the third point. This is your first curve for this panel. Do the same all through the panel so you can get the perfect curve, and you need to have patience for that. I know you have much more patience, so do it slowly, you get the better result. As you can see, it will look harder for the first time, but by practicing you will get friendly with this 3-point arc tool. And you can see the panel has been created, and now you have to delete the extra lines to finish the model. Click and press the delete button, delete the lines and finish the model from the modify toolbar just by checking it. So now you can see the second panel is created. You can hide this by hiding the element, and now do the same to all the other panels by using the 3-point arc tool in the modify bar. So now this is the last fifth panel is created, deleting the extra lines, checking the model from the modify bar. And now I'm going to reset all the temporary hide elements from here. And these are the panels which we are created. And now I'm going to use the mirror tool to copy these panels by going to the level 2 floor plan and selecting these panels, going to the modify bar, selecting mirror tool from here and clicking and dragging at the right angle just like this. So now you can see the mirror has been created. Now I'm going to mirror this as well from this point, doing just the same as we did before, just like this. So now you can see the mirror is formed. Now I'm going to mirror some more panels at the last remaining length of the factory which we are modeling, just like this. As you can see, mirror has been formed here as well. I guess I have provided a wrong angle for this mirror. We need to correct the angle and provide the right angle for that mirror. Selecting the mirror tool again, and doing the mirror at the right angle, just like this, and delete the extra panels which are mirrored. Copy, select and delete. And now, as you can see, all the panels on the front face of the model has been created. You can see in the 3D view as well. As you can see, this is how our panels look like, and I suggest do the same to the left side of our model, just like this. So now you can see it in 3D view. This is how our model panels look like. Now I'm going to provide a glass material above the walls by going to the architectural tabs, going to the wall, selecting wall, and going to the storefront, selecting the storefront from here. And now I'm going to create a storefront curtain wall from level 2 to up to the level 3, just like this, as we create a wall. And here we can't use a 3-point arc for the storefront curtain wall because it's a glass material, so we have to do it just like this, clicking till here, and from this point we are going to create a straight curtain wall till this point. So as you can see, our curtain wall has been created. You can see it in a 3D view from here. As you can see, this is how our 3D model of Zehner factory look like. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.